So here it is, the beast with new handlebars. Yay! What a difference! What a difference! Unbelievable. I mean, before I was... Oh, stop braking. Stop it. Before I was down here with the straight bars, and now I'm sat right up. It's beautiful. There's no more of that leaning right into the tank and squashing your bollocks. It's oh, it's a different bike. It really is. Yeah, set up nicely. It's got a nice sweep back on the handlebars as well that I've not really had before. I've had higher bars and bars that were further back but not swept back, and it gives quite a nice, almost like cruiser handlebars to it. But it's lovely. It's exactly what I needed on this bike. Probably some would prefer the straight handlebars and more leant over into the bike, but for me this is the... I couldn't have done a better upgrade. It's probably more like they were from factory as well. Throttle needs more of an adjustment. There's too much dead space on it. Did have a little bit of a misfire when I started it this morning, so I don't know whether I've disturbed something else doing the handlebars, but yeah, it's awesome. Awesome. Beast with horns. And although the cable looks tight across there, there's a good inch or so of play in it on both locks. I would have liked for it to sweep up with the handlebars and be a bit more tied in, a bit tidier. But you can't have everything. And these handlebars, I just can't praise it enough. It's exactly what the beast needed. As I say, it's new horns. So yes, very happy with that. Good swap I swapped a guy at work. He wanted some flat bars, flatter bars. Well, they were pretty much flat bars. Set of Renthal low rise for his Norton. And I just said to him, he offered money for it, and I said, no, that's alright. If you like them and you want them, then use them and give me your old ones, or just give me the Renthals back. And he liked the stance that those handlebars gave his bike, and so he gave me the handlebars. And as I say, they are just what the beast needed. Thankfully. So yes, there you go. There's the update. Beast has horns. Owner likes Beast's horns. Anyway, that's enough waffle from me, innit? Ta-ra.